Atalau.
Oile.
Oh, anak Atalau.
Anak Atama.
Dia mati. Oke. Nah, Atalau. Oke.
Anak Katalau, udah breakfast.
Oke, bukan buah Katalungan.
Warwarwa.
Oi, Baroro.
Iya. Roro nama takalilay.
Ni may Baroro ya, di may
Iya, miyaw may warwarwa. Sambu ka warwarwa.
Bukan berapa sekali, Bu?
Miyaw may basingiliw.
May masih sekali untuk cunga.
Iya, baka aranabi.
Wa aranabi na ba kabi?
Iya.
Bisuta kere nambose ni sana tarab.
Iya.
Do bisuta ka.
Iya.
Wa aranabi misalnya Baroro.
Iya, menil bay maut.
Karena kalau no yang benar ke Demesi.
Good morning, good Andres.
Yeah. Good morning to you too. Thank you for today. It's a welcome Wednesday.
Yeah.
We are fortunate enough for our children, for our students.
Yeah.
They will be today.
Yeah.
Nasinu Gospel Primary School.
Graduation.
They're doing their graduation. Their prize giving today.
Hello, prize giving.
Yesterday, the class 8, the year 8, they're looking forward.
Right.
For their new school next year.
Yes,
Some of the school too, they have their prize giving today.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
All the best to your prize giving and different school you are joining from.
Right.
We are thank you for the whatever things that you have been done throughout the year.
Yeah.
And I want to say apologize
To what?
and thankful to all the teachers.
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 Yeah.
To all the teachers for whatever they do to make our children
Yes.
coming together.
Enjoy school every day.
Enjoy school every day.
Yeah.
We have
Because
to appreciate our teachers.
you still
every
remember the
day.
first day we took them in
Yes.
school.
Yes.
Yeah.
They crying.
Yes.
They don't want to go to school.
True.
But when they are there,
Yeah.
they are the flavor of their dreams.
Right.
We are fortunate enough, Demesi,
Come.
because there's one teacher working with us now. This
Oh.
Ha.
Eleanor. Utarong matanga. The things that we do before, ngona kita na kala buliliw. From the school there's one like
Sleeping.
relax sleeping
Yes,
session.
right.
Is it still
For
on?
class 1. That's for class 1. Yes.
Oi.
Yes. Because they are still developing. They need to rest. They
Yeah.
can't, they can't absorb everything at
Yeah.
once because they are still kids. Their
Dinasar.
brain is still developing.
Yeah.
So they need time to rest, to relax their brain.
But this one
They're still growing,
from 5.
Yeah.
The brain is still developing this one.
still sleeping.
Alam ko rin na monkey.
Harap na ka tinana seta harap matakadiku ane mani kumbu.
Iya.
May Australian go to na bunin rala boy go. Sama steri maramango. Sama sarsu may American samo Chito Lutu.
Iya.
Sama lo
O chito luto ko rin ko naman to bata sa alay lewato ko doon at kininggele may webu umirewa.
Oi.
Maloto. Abing kare boli kira man bibina katu masta sireli naitenge and the
Yeah.
naitenge family.
Right.
Tamayana kitinayana be misis sa naitenge pa ni binaka.
Okay, while you still class 1,
Ha.
do you sleep
We sleep.
midday or
We sleep after lunch.
You lie
Right.
down, but your eyes closed and your mind open.
Yeah, sometimes many.
Why?
Many times. Because I can't sleep.
Huh?
Sometimes I can't sleep. Only the waking sleep us. Kasantaw mo ko nga sa kay papunamot.
Right.
We have our own mat. We bring our own mat to school.
Right.
Dinasar.
Yeah.
After lunch we sleep.
Yeah.
I still remember one day Nemanimbitu from Navakasali.
Yeah.
Or Nem now is in New Zealand.
Yeah.
Nemanimbitu masituni emori rangatika petero tupidi enero Enrico Taukei.
Yeah.
We there in the school. Oh, Chosay Odo.
Yeah.
Chosay Duruki.
Right.
That's when class 1. When you sleep like this, us boys will remain on one corner.
Right.
And you just lay your ears on the floor.
Right.
Because that's a connection where teacher's food coming from.
And
Betalia
some
kaya may babu
yeah.
si o madam.
Yeah.
Kaya may babu si ni sakam binandali nga manandali follow kila binang sartungan lang may vis.
Right.
The
right.
pussycat walk
Yeah,
on the floor.
you know because
teacher.
some magnetic sound effects of their food coming to your earbrows.
Right. Wow.
Yeah, bros.
So while the teacher, while madam is away,
Yeah,
you boys play.
Play. Because that's normal, eh?
Yeah.
Through the system of the children.
Right.
That's normal.
Yeah.
Unless and until
Yeah.
somebody really want to sleep.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes we close our eyes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like we pretend that we sleep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our mind still open.
Right.
Right.
And then your eyes go like this.
Yeah, go like this and open sometimes like this and
And to
they're
play.
coming. Principal is coming. Everybody wake up.
Yeah.
When teacher do the bakachi-kachi.
Karena sama cuma ada betul lihat Sarah LM69
Right.
mana butuh rewa ada butuh betul kadia nama tak di bengkaram di kuah. Oke.
Iya. Father
Yes.
John Tehana
I
and
want to
Peter
ask you
Otupidi.
To the one question, eh?
Okay.
Like if one boy, like we got a girlfriend, boyfriend, if the boy, like you suspect something is wrong with the boy,
Yes.
what is the best medicine for that? What kind of problem ya?
If something is wrong with the boy,
Ya, baka kau kinta ba?
Cheating.
Sing ni cheating baka kau kinta ba? Taro kay sinto do tiko. Nada mi ko na takaba. Baka go. To may malambi wadin bukan to bulun naka.
Lack of belt.
Eh? Nakaya to takaba ilioko ya.
sasanga.
Sasenga. Ni tukuna mon rosota ika. Sasing ni sambera mo
Okay.
koya. Sa te
Oh.
usoli ulumbale.
Right.
Nada ba o takaba. Nada ba dodon mo takaba.
Iko talaga solulu bale.
Oh.
Okay, okay,
Sagay
the reason.
BCMCB, today we will compete giving excuse.
Right.
Yeah.
The Messi?
Ah.
I will try and find out what's the reason.
Yeah.
First,
Yeah.
if I suspect that something else is going on
Yeah.
the other side,
Yeah.
then you will see.
Right. The Messi?
What's the question?
Kaya ko sa kasabi sa ngoneleo, sa sino ba kay Liu?
Yeah.
Eh? Ngoneli sota, Liu. Boto half an hour sa tuika ko. Go. Le tambo ko me da kidi ni mataka.
Hmm.
So lulu bale mo ko.
I will ask her. I will tell her.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll ask her. Hey, what happened to your life? What happened to you?
Yeah.
Why you are not up on par?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is not standard. This is not this is not the baby I know.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Right.
If you have something,
You ask for like this.
if you need something, if you have a choice in your life,
Yeah.
please tell me.
Right.
I want to hear,
Yes.
Yeah.
but don't do it from the phone.
Oi.
Do it in front of me. I want to see you in your mouth opening and
Closing.
split.
Opening and closing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kami nakatasar nga mo rin may tembe ng gusto mo na po sa morong da kaurida.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear it on the phone.
Right.
Please come here.
Yeah.
I won't do anything. I just want you to be here and say
Honest.
honestly.
What?
I don't want you,
Okay.
Debesi.
What's the main
Hey,
problem?
you
The
take my
girls-
money,
girls'
you
face.
take my phone,
Eh?
you have an iPhone, you want to leave me? Come.
What's the main problem the girls face while dating a boy?
What's-
Baka non mulu mo na durubo.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
One is when they like to say everything I.
Yow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one thing we don't like. Eh?
Yeah. Boast.
Boastful.
Yeah.
Yeunggo. Another thing
Yeah. Ciao.
is the lie.
Lie. Eh?
Liar. Eh?
Right. The Messi?
For me, money.
Okay.
Eat.
Hold on. Why do we follow that kind of
Yeah.
Why do we boys boast thinking that we will entice the girls
Yes.
to like us or to love us? Natapay nanto bakina, baka may nanto dabli.
Yes, we want you to
Doktor
be
kata
Iya.
original.
Nanu mo kaya nang
Not
binakaskada kina ng Manila. Why do we boast?
Yes.
Because we want them to be with us. For me,
Isa patako so
Yes.
some boyfriend girlfriend going through this
just
situation.
open the post and you see. Laylay talinaaw. Dalawa nga ng baus.
Tunong titiliw.
Iya.
Tunong kulori. Tunong mo ka sa libon. Okay, we can na boys. Warong sa matali ka dar ka benda buli na matali.
Iya.
Kaya baka ikon tondo ka, siya daw tukutuku niko.
Iya.
Right.
Please niko masa rauta. Matak ka rasin talita ka.
Iya.
Rasin
Right.
talita ka ng Manila.
Iya.
And the other thing, Demesi, is
May-
why do we boys lie?
We lie because we know sometimes they don't want us.
Okay?
Eh?
Like what?
Like we want them.
Yeah.
We really want them. And they choice. Erang kain daw ding.
Yeah, okay.
Erang ding itek nga karere binaka.
Yeah.
Ding itek nga ka sutundabo.
Yeah.
Ding itek nga na bakalori.
that's
Ata
why
mo nonda
the
lalo
posting
kenda sing di bakalori kin.
That's why the boasting and the lying comes.
Sabon na sa duro kinamuding gomi.
Yeah.
You know, but
Betul yang galikin tapi lo maniseng.
Eyo.
Endre nga misapa iyo.
if you base your relationship on a lie,
Yeah.
you will keep on lying.
There are two lives. One life for lasu-lasu, one life for down.
Nata para down payment.
Minawala Sara Binod Patel and Punjes
Yeah.
for the lie.
Bulla bikenta na turbo do na understand ta kaya.
Right.
Na ninda daw understand ta kira nanda itaw ay natutok ka bagutin ng bula. Kaya baka ay na mas nandura ka. Kaya baka na siri ka chendo ay na mas. Ay na chuka endo ang balitsi.
Sara ko
Sa
sa
tu libo nung biyang ko na. Gaya
Yeah.
daw nila sa tu na biyang ko. Oleh du siya wala tu na biyang ko na
Biyang ko na.
Iya, biyang ko. Sila ka ba
isa
ya?
nga doon nakastop talagang doon natabaling ko.
Iya, ya.
Ano nanto mo na rumbu kiberta ki ko na ngonele wa.
Iya.
Kake de porta ko kwa. Galeado ni bango siya tuman sartungan inti no ngonele wa. E baka watitu.
Uy.
Laus tak temu ka kake de utwike ngong ngalala.
Oi.
Watu yan ang bulay.
What are bulay?
Kalau roko ili sa mati ko may
Father John Teana.
Australia yan binaka.
Ano na ka? Hey, drinking grog with the
Epati
boys.
ko who's?
Who's?
Good morning Fiji, Cape Town go. Ya, ano na ka? Yasin George.
Right.
Sandi na.
Asinada do kilawa yan binaka tamay pita nice boy John Teana.
Yeah.
John Teana. If you remember lain rokan may ulit tuan ng bandua. Do yan binaka. Mayroon talaga ni malambo ini buku tele porto sa mati ko
Oh,
mayo.
correct.
O any lewa na vivi. Do yan binaka
Ano
sister.
kaya ang turin ta war biro?
May nandong may maduata.
Iyo.
Bulasi anasasa.
Kasi diri ano na ka longay foul Paul, na matagaday. Sa mo ni Banubi pinapalo sa rabito kanya na matagani wi ngarabi ko. Kita sabi kita magchiri kami kanta kita sa mga ni malak taltungan ni na buning garabitawi. Ana matagani ko.
Anda pinaka
Obi, Andra.
domoni.
Iyo.
Yan binaka John. Magi tabi alala yan binaka. Sa mati ko may luto ka na mataka ni kuha. Do yan binaka.
Alright, Trevor, mataka no mu heart, no mu like, mataka no mu share and video
Right.
ko. Kalau ngata ba kurumundo,
El na domoni.
Demis.
mo de